Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of character AI, or C.ai as it's popularly known, you're in for a real treat today. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of hidden characters on the platform, specifically for the 2025 update. These are secret, Easter egg-style ICE that aren't immediately obvious but can add so much fun and depth to your interactions. Whether you're a casual user or a die-hard enthusiast, learning how to find them will give you an edge in exploring this AI wonderland. First things first, make sure your C.ai app is fully updated. Head to your app settings, check for the latest 2025 version, and install any updates. This is key because hidden characters are often tied to new features rolled out in these patches. Once you're up to date, let's move on to the search techniques. Open the character library and use advanced search filters. Type in keywords like hidden, secret, or even specific codes that the community has shared online. For example, try phrases like 2025 exclusive to uncover gems that developers have tucked away. Now, don't forget about the community aspect. Join C.ai forums or Reddit threads where users share tips. You might find user-generated codes or hints that lead to these hidden characters. Another pro tip: experiment with customization options. In the character creation menu, toggle on experimental features. If it's available in 2025, this could unlock hidden profiles. Remember, patience is key here. It might take a few tries, but the thrill of discovery is worth it. Lastly, once you've found a hidden character, interact with them to see what unique stories or responses they offer. It's a game changer for your AI experience. If you try this out, drop a comment below letting me know what you discovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next one.